Hello, everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. Let's begin. Close your eyes, get yourself in a comfortable position, and just bring yourself into a state of relaxation, following your breath, quietening down, and just inviting in the stillness. We only have so much time on this beautiful planet. And if you wish to use your time wisely, productively, then it's important to become self-aware. To first understand the value of time, the value of each moment you have, of each breath. And so today, we are going to take a moment to become self-aware, to realize where we are not appreciating our time and using it wisely. And so taking a moment just to think about your week, your days, and do you feel as though you do waste time? And if so, why? What is it that you're doing? Or what is it that you're not doing? Do you really focus your energy where you want it to go? Or do you feel as though people and things take your energy? Or maybe you feel that you have to give your energy. So taking a moment to really be honest with yourself. Maybe you feel as though if you don't give that energy, you won't get some energy back. Or maybe you feel it's an obligation, it's a responsibility. Or maybe you're running away. You're afraid to really put your time and energy into something that could grow, that could change your life. So let's take a moment to reflect upon that. And so let's now invite the version of yourself that is productive, that is aware, that is honest. Let's invite that version of you to step forward, to take the wheel for the moment, and we invite them so that we can understand, process, and hopefully shift and heal some habits that are not in alignment with your desires, with who you really are, with what it is that you truly want. And so feeling that presence moving forward and just feeling a ball of light being activated in your heart. And the beams of this light shooting outward, outside your chest. Truly activating that version of you. Feeling their presence in your heart. And so now I invite you to connect, to ask some questions, and to really trust the answers that you receive. There is so much wisdom within you, so much knowledge. You are powerful, you are wise, and today you are going to listen and activate that power and that wisdom. If you like, you can place your hand on your heart. To this version of me, I invite you now to assist me. I invite you now to channel to me and through me information that will help me in using my time wisely and using my time to empower me and using my time so that I may walk in the direction of my desires, my truth, and my goals. And so now I wish for you to reveal to me the aspects of me that hold me back from using my time wisely. And can you please reveal to me the thoughts that lead me to making the wrong decisions, or the decisions that lead me away from my goals? Please help me understand myself at the deepest level now. Thank you. And now I invite you to allow me to understand what it is that I need to start doing, what it is that I need to change, so that I may use my time powerfully and wisely, so that I may use my time to achieve my desires and my goals. I open my heart and I open my mind to you now. And please now reveal to me the thoughts that I need to implement, that I need to reprogram, so that I may take the right actions. Thank you. And if there is anything else that you need to ask that version of yourself, now is the time. All right. Taking a moment to thank that version of you as that light gently dims down, allowing you now to step back forward, to take the wheel, and to return. I would suggest that you take pen and paper after this meditation and write down the information that you received. It's time to come back now. So gently, gently bringing your awareness back into your body, back into the space. Take your time. And when it feels right, open your eyes.